Vehicle generator jack 60 test USR generator. This make generators moving. This is inverter kit. This coolant tank regulator. Diesel fuel. Here is cooling water in. Cooling water in. Cooling water in. And here is outer set exhaust. Air fetch. Cooling water out. This one. Cooling water out. Cooling water out. Pipe to regulator. Cooling water in. Here. Cooling water in. And the cooling water out. The other one, cooling water out to water tank. Coolant tank here to cooling water in. And the cooling water out. Cooling water out to generator. Cooling water in. Okay. Here have battery 2 line, negative and active. To battery here. Now we start the generator. Okay, let's start generator. Stop. 233 50 Hz frequency. Also inverter kit have meter 235 and 50 frequency Hz. Purpose. Now we give some loading. Give some loading. and the frequency. Battery voltage, charger battery voltage. Oil pressure and engine temperature. Engine temperature 44. Engine temperature. Now it's already test 1.8 hours. This is fuel level. We don't install. Okay, test finish. And the cooling fan start running after 10 seconds. Okay, the front running and finish. Test finish. Okay.